Hey guys, so let's go ahead and Lighthouse audit this puppy. So what I'm going to do is open the app. Basically, I just want to audit the first, the landing page of the app. So I'll open that in incognito tab, navigate there, and then we're just going to generate a Lighthouse audit for mobile. And we can click all of these things here. And yeah, so we just wait and see what happens. And we got, our performance is pretty poor. I think we can probably improve things here. And I think it may be the images that are the incorrect size. Are we using the original size? Possibly? I don't know if I ever resized these. Oh yes, okay. So we are rendering them at 96, but the original size is 1024. So we can definitely improve that. And what else are we complaining about? So it took 7 seconds to reach this point. I suspect it's to do with the images. Render blocking resources. No, I'm not going to bother with this stuff. This is all like stuff that our app needs. We could probably improve the code splitting and bundling and all that stuff, but I don't see that as a huge issue. I think our main issue here is going to be our images. Accessibility, we don't have a form, but we're reusing our inputs from the puzzle game itself. So Chrome is detecting inputs here and it's saying, oh wait, there are no labels. So we'll need to add hidden labels. Error label. We can just add the error label to each input. And yeah, okay, so let me go and do that. So what I'm going to do now is just grab these original images, resize them. I use a tool. You can do it anywhere, but I always use this tool. I love these guys. They have all these awesome things. They even have like I love PDF, which I use often. So I'll probably prop them in here and then resize them to, what do we want? 192. Where are those images? Can't remember where I saved them. I just need to grab them from ChatGPT, be right back. I'm actually being a bit silly. The images themselves are bundled with the app, so I forgot they were here. So we can just go and grab these, pop them into resize image. Can I drag and drop? Yep. Oh, you don't like WebP? I mean, I could go and do this in Figma too. Can I do WebP? WebP to resize WebP. Just really dimensions. Just give me anything that works. 192 and keep aspect ratio. Yep, that's interesting. Auto crop is fine. Okay, and then all I have to do there is just pop the new ones in the folder. Okay, download in the zip. Downloads, boom, open new. Thanks, guys. Oh, that's a little annoying. Let's just go there, cropped. Now we'll actually see how much they've changed. Does this all look okay? Yep. They were originally... Okay, so they've changed quite a lot. So this has been a good optimization. Quick win. Place all of them. And Pixie, you are now much smaller. Okay, so we've done that. We also want to take a look at those form labels. And I think we have a component for that. Puzzle image input. It's got an input, and we'll just pop area label. Now this is, guess the image. Yep, something like that. And then I'm going to commit this. So let's just separate these quickly. We'll go fix app, reduce homepage image sizes, and the other one will be fix app, add labels to homepage inputs, to not just the homepage inputs, to all of them, to puzzle image inputs. Okay, let's go ahead and push that quickly. CD, git push, and we'll just go and check that the actions are deploying. So there we go, we got deploying. I'm just going to pause here, and then once it's deployed, we can verify that our changes are there and our Lighthouse audit's improved. Okay, so we've finally deployed. Took us a whole 5 minutes, and it should be live now. So let's just quickly have a look. Looks like it's reloaded it. Just want to inspect these images to make sure they're using the new size. Where are you? Awesome. Okay, we're using the new size, so we can go and Lighthouse this again because we know it's updated. Okay, let's go mobile. Yes, that's much better. Okay, our accessibility issues were fixed. Our performance is now above 91, and I'm very happy with that. I normally just try to get above 90, or not really. I'd just try and go for the quick wins. All the stuff over here is probably going to take a bit of time to, you know, get some savings there. So I don't think it's worth putting more time into it. But yeah, overall, Lighthouse Audit, quite happy with that. We can also go ahead and do a desktop audit. And I think desktop, I think they're just a bit more lax with their performance requirements. But now we're getting 100, so I'm pretty stoked about that. Awesome. And that's using our live environment, so I'm pretty happy. I think we can tick that one. And then we can move on to analytics in the next video. Awesome. Cool. So goodbye in Swedish. Hey do.